Hi, this is Visit Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable research invitation on your LinkedIn. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. On my previous video, I'll show you how to disable research invitation on your LinkedIn account. But now, what if you want to change it? You want to, maybe you just accidentally disable this feature, but now when you want to enable it, very simple. You can open your LinkedIn. You can go to your setting by tapping on the up left corner here. Now you can go to settings. From settings, you can go to data privacy. And on the can reach you section, there is an option research invites. You can just select on that. Now you can just tap on the toggle in here. So now you have activate your research invites on your LinkedIn. So now you can allow your LinkedIn or third-party partners to send you invitation for participating in product feedback surveys, market research, and other studies. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable research invitation on LinkedIn. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.